Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so let's take a look at what Jamf Teacher can do to support students that might be using MacBooks in the classroom. Now, it's important to point out at this point, Jamf Teacher works slightly differently with MacBooks than it does to iPads, specifically because of some of the operating system requirements and just how differently the two work together. But that's not to say that you can't still control websites, and that's what we're going to look at in this video, because as we know, students invariably will access lots of things through websites that teachers might not want them to access. So let's jump into Jamf Teacher as we would ordinarily and open up that application. And we'll go into a class, and you'll see within this class, I've got a couple of students. Aisha here is on a MacBook, and you'll see straight away she only has access to, well, me be able to access the allow websites. I can still control the amount of time that I want to set these restrictions for, choose individual websites, or as before, choose a CSV file, upload that, and even be able to add additional websites to that list should I need to. But at this point then, I can just click apply onto the screen, and that's going to send that across to Aisha's device, where I'm going to now see how that restriction has been applied. So on Aisha's device, if I go ahead and open up Safari, this then just brings up Safari as I would ordinarily be viewing it, and I could type in a website. In this case, I'm just going to click on a link here to a website that I know isn't on my list, and you'll see it comes up with a block page, but it gives you that allowed website list. So I can click on any of those, and it's going to open up the websites that I do have access to. Again, choose any other website on here. Let's click this one, and again, it gives me that block page, but still with the focused list of applications that I do want to be able to access. Now, this is a really important step because it now means for the teacher, I can control the MacBooks in the class, focus on specific learning and teaching focused use of those tools, and block students from being able to access anything that from a teacher's point of view I might see as a distraction. Now, if we think about things that students might go on in the middle of a lesson, like Facebook or any other social media applications, etc., this just gives peace of mind to teachers. And, to the same reason that Jamf Teacher is used, it's really about focused learning, like saving time, getting students to the right websites at the right time. So really, really useful way that, you can still utilize Jamf Teacher if students are using MacBooks just to control the website access.